Exploring the Dichotomy of Women's Roles, Russian Folk Proverbs Unveiled. Russian Folk. Proverbs often reflect the traditional roles and perceptions of women in society. Here are 10 proverbs that touch upon both the positive and negative aspects of women's roles, along with explanations. Positive role of women. 1. A wife will cross even a mountain for her husband. A wife's unwavering devotion transcends boundaries, symbolized by her readiness to cross mountains for her husband. This proverb celebrates the profound love and dedication that women can bring to a marriage. It underscores their strength and resilience, emphasizing that they are willing to overcome any obstacle to support and stand by their husbands. It reflects a timeless sentiment, highlighting the sacrificial nature of love and the deep bonds within a marital relationship. Across cultures, this proverb resonates as a testament to the enduring commitment and selflessness of wives, who are often the pillars of support in their families. 2. For a woman, I would climb into a fire with my soul. This Russian proverb speaks to the profound affection and willingness to endure unimaginable hardships for the women they cherish. It encapsulates a sense of undying commitment, suggesting that love knows no bounds or limits. The metaphor of climbing into a fire with one's soul underscores the idea that some connections are so powerful that individuals are willing to face any adversity for the sake of those they love. It celebrates the selflessness and bravery often associated with romantic love and devotion. 3. A wife is the head of the family and a husband is the neck. Wherever the neck turns, the head follows. This proverb reflects the traditional gender roles in a family dynamic, where the wife is considered the guiding force. It acknowledges the subtle influence women often wield within a household, shaping decisions indirectly through their husbands. The neck symbolizes the husband's support and adaptability to the wife's lead. While it may seem to diminish the husband's role, it highlights the importance of harmony and unity in family life, emphasizing that a strong partnership requires cooperation and mutual respect between spouses. 4. A wife is like a song. Listen and enjoy. This proverb conveys the idea that a harmonious and loving relationship with one's wife can bring immense joy and fulfillment. Just as a beautiful melody soothes the soul, a caring and supportive wife can enrich one's life with happiness. The proverb encourages husbands to appreciate the qualities and contributions of their wives, reminding them that love and companionship should be cherished like a sweet melody. It emphasizes the importance of taking time to truly understand and enjoy the presence of one's spouse, fostering a deeper connection and lasting marital bliss. 5. Where there is a woman, there is paradise. This proverb celebrates the positive and transformative influence women have on their surroundings. It suggests that the presence of women brings comfort, love, and beauty to any environment, making it akin to a heavenly place. This proverb highlights the nurturing and uplifting qualities often associated with women. It underscores their ability to create harmonious and thriving spaces, whether within a family, community, or society as a whole. Ultimately, it reminds us to appreciate and value the significant contributions of women in our lives, recognizing that they play an essential role in making the world a better place. Negative role of women. 1. A wife is like a spiteful dog, she barks without reason. The said proverb portrays a negative stereotype of women as nagging or argumentative without cause. This proverb reflects historical gender biases and misunderstandings about women's behavior. It unfairly simplifies the complexities of marital relationships, suggesting that wives can be overly critical or irritable. While some marriages may experience conflicts, it's essential to remember that healthy communication and mutual respect are key to successful partnerships. This proverb is a reminder of how traditional beliefs can perpetuate harmful stereotypes, and it encourages a more nuanced and equitable view of women's roles in modern society. 2. A wife is the head, and a husband is the neck. You can turn the head anywhere, but the neck will always follow. The said proverb illustrates the subtle influence women often wield within a family. It conveys that while the husband may appear to be the decision-maker, the wife has significant sway in guiding the direction of the family. The proverb highlights the importance of mutual understanding and cooperation in a successful marriage. It doesn't diminish the husband's role, but emphasizes that a harmonious partnership involves the wife's wisdom and guidance. It promotes unity and suggests that effective leadership often involves collaboration and compromise. 3. A wife is like a goose. She flies around, chatters, but comes home for dinner. This proverb portrays women as talkative and busy, yet ultimately dedicated to their domestic duties. This proverb reflects traditional gender roles where women are seen as the homemakers. It suggests that women might engage in various activities and socialize but remain committed to their family responsibilities. While it underscores the importance of home and family, it also perpetuates a stereotype of women as talkative and primarily responsible for household tasks. Modern interpretations, however, emphasize the value of shared responsibilities and the evolving roles of women in society. 4. With a wife in the house comes trouble. This is a proverb that, while expressing a negative sentiment, should be interpreted with caution. It historically reflects biases and stereotypes about women and their impact on household dynamics. In modern times, it's important to understand that marital relationships are complex and multifaceted. The proverb may serve as a reminder that conflicts can arise in any family, but it should not be used to generalize or demean the role of wives. Healthy communication, mutual respect, and shared responsibilities are key to successful marriages, and such relationships can bring joy and fulfillment rather than trouble. 5. A wife is like a scythe, the shorter, the smarter. It is a proverb suggesting that women who speak less are considered wiser. It reflects a stereotype that equates wisdom with silence. However, this notion oversimplifies the complexities of human intelligence and communication. It's essential to recognize that wisdom is not solely measured by the volume of one's words. Many wise individuals are eloquent speakers, and wisdom often comes from thoughtful discussion and sharing of ideas. This proverb should be viewed critically and challenged, as it perpetuates outdated stereotypes about women and the nature of intelligence. Modern perspectives value diverse forms of expression and intelligence. It's important to note that these proverbs reflect historical and cultural attitudes towards women, and societal views have evolved significantly over time. While some of these proverbs may be seen as negative or outdated, others still hold value in highlighting the positive aspects of women's roles in society.